Selling on Amazon, here's why you need TikTok to double your sales. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group. Let's dive in. So how did our client go from $50,000 a month in sales to over $200,000? One word, TikTok, right? You can scroll down right here and then see their Amazon listing and the spike in Amazon sales. And not only that, you can see on TikTok Shop how they got 9,000 sold and their items right here. But I'm gonna be showing you how to do it, and what they did, again, one word, was not just TikTok, but affiliates. So the TikTok affiliate program is really how they made most of their money. And what you need to do is first you just sell up as a TikTok seller, right? So just type in TikTok seller and then you'll see seller.tiktok.com, TikTok shop seller center, and you can sign up as a TikTok seller. So let me just make sure this is the right place. Yep, United States, you're gonna enter, and then you're gonna sign up for a TikTok seller. And I'm already signed up and signed in, so I'm gonna be showing you exactly what they did. Now, first you get approved as a TikTok seller, and then you're gonna create your product listings. So you click on products right here, and then you're going to create your product listings. After you create your product listings, make sure that you have inventory ready to ship, right? So you have to have inventory ready. Either it's at Amazon or it's at your house or a fulfillment center. But what you're going to do is click on affiliate, okay? And then now you're going to click on go to affiliate center home. And this is where you give your products away for free to affiliates. And let me explain how it works. So pretty much you're going to list your product on TikTok affiliate center. So now people can buy your product on TikTok, just like Hickaway. So it'll look like this. They can purchase your product, buy now. Regular customers can buy it, but there's gonna be an extra button for affiliates, right? So TikTok is filled with affiliates that have over 10,000 followers. They want free products. In return for a free product, they'll promote your product in a TikTok video. So they'll create a video, hey, check out this product, and click the link, and it's gonna have a link, and it's gonna have it it's all gonna be on TikTok, and they're gonna promote the product. So let me give you a quick example. So what they're gonna do is they're gonna be searching, and then they're gonna find your product, an affiliate, they're gonna click it, just like this one, and then you're gonna see request free sample. They're gonna click this, and it also shows the commission bonus. If you have a high commission, right, so you're selling your product for $100 and you're giving 20% commission, that means every sale you give them $20. That's really big, and that's gonna be a great way to start to get affiliates very easily. Affiliates wanna work with people who have a lot of sales or are giving a big commission. So Hickaway was giving a big commission, right, to their sellers. And then what happens is somebody like them is going to be making a video with their product, and you can see it got 100,000 likes, 868 comments. Not only does this help them generate sales on TikTok, but have you ever purchased on TikTok? The answer is no, neither have I. But what happens is people go and they see it on TikTok, then they go to Amazon and they search your product and then they purchase on Amazon. So not only does it help you with TikTok sales, but it helps you with Amazon sales. And Amazon's tracking where the customers are coming from. If they see that customers are coming from TikTok, they know that you're promoting it on TikTok and pushing the customers to Amazon. And Amazon loves that because now they feel like they're taking customers from TikTok, getting on Amazon. They're gonna push you to the first page. They're gonna show you everywhere on Amazon, and it's gonna help double, triple your sales. So this is the affiliate strategy that Hickaway is using. Now there's multiple other different types of strategies, but the affiliate strategy seems to be one of the easiest ways to get big on TikTok and increase your Amazon sales. Also, people are gonna be typing in it on Google, so if you have a website, it's gonna help you increase your website sales as well. Just be ready to have a lot of free products ready to give away to the affiliates, because it takes a lot of affiliates and it just takes one affiliate to blow it up. But initially, you're gonna have to have a high commission rate and things like that so you can get affiliates interested. You can also look through the store and then invite affiliates. We're going to be offering TikTok as a service in the near future and then have a course for you. More on this. I'm just diving a little bit deeper so I can show you all of the avenues of TikTok. So that way, if you don't have to just do affiliate, you can also do TikTok ads and vice versa. But that's it for today's video. Have you ever used TikTok to promote your products? Share your success or challenges in the comments below. If you learned something new, drop a like, and if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need any help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, our #1 service is our full A to Z Amazon management service. This is where we'll fully manage your inventory, calling Amazon, customer service, advertising, increasing sales, helping you expand to eBay, TikTok, Walmart, all those benefits all in one service so you can save time, money, and increase your sales with ehpconsultinggroup.com. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.